The SBS 3.2 is a shop-quality set of 37 sockets, hex bits, and Torx-compatible bits, selected specifically for common bike repair needs. Long-reach bits for getting at recessed bolts and fittings, metric sockets for everything and anything, flat-face sockets for working on suspension forks, and the 1-inch socket can fit a variety of Park Tool freewheel, cassette lockring, and bottom bracket tools. Made from tough, chrome vanadium steel and with a 3/8 inch drive, the SBS 3.2 is a versatile and durable socket and bit set. The SBS 3.2 from Park Tool.